hypocrisy of the worst kind, and it just sums up the shallowness of your approach.
Taoiseach, please
I'm interested.
your seat. Taoiseach, thank you, Deputy. There is no point of order.
There is actually. The Taoiseach, I think, took advantage, perhaps, of you not following.
It's not a point of order.
He accused me. He called me a liar.
I did
We may Gaeilge on air, and he said, "Tree Gaeilge." So I would like him to remove that from the record. Thank you.
I would ask you to withdraw. If you made those remarks, I am not aware that you did. You call Deputy McDonald a liar? Right. Well, I would say. Well, that's there. There is a salient ruling. Please resume your seat. Deputy, resume your seat as respect for the chair. I'm now standing, Deputy. Please resume your seat. Taoiseach, in the seat. I am asking. I will address if the Taoiseach has made the remarks in translation. Well, Taoiseach, I think. Taoiseach, please resume your seat. I'm standing. I am Deputy. I didn't call. I'm asking for decorum. I can't rule on what I didn't hear. I accept that you believe it was said. The Taoiseach has said. Well, the Taoiseach has said he hasn't said it, and we can look back. We can look.
Can I ask for clarification?
Deputy, Deputy.
The leader of the opposition of the Gaeilge Brigade. You took advantage of the fact that the Cancordia had no Irish, and it is absolutely disgraceful.
To respect the chair. Excuse me. I am asking again, Taoiseach, if you use the words, would you withdraw them? Would you withdraw them if you use them? Taoiseach, I didn't ask you to stand up. I asked you specifically to withdraw the words if you used them, whether they were in Asperla or Gaeilge.
I did not call Deputy. I did say.
I'm going to resume my seat, and I am going to move on